Is it too late to get back in, do you think? Sorry for the silly question.
Is it too late to get back in?
I said sorry for the silly question.
Sounds like just like my ex. Is it too late to get back?
Oh,
I'm personally waiting for the news.
So welcome back, everyone. Gold is now pushing down after 150 pips. Beautiful, clean profits. New York is now open. Let's see how the market is going to react. Oh, NASDAQ is pushing up. Fuck, that's not good news for my Bitcoin position. Question is it too late to open a position on NASDAQ? I'm not sure if NASDAQ is going to create new highs today. Yesterday was exactly the same. It was pushing up and then, boom, melted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait, not jumping into any impulsive decision. I'm going to stay with the gold longs. And we're going to check Bitcoin and NASDAQ at the same time. It looks like that the Christmas rally is on the way.
But it's so late.
For
I mean,
what?
brokers are closing for the holidays. I mean, so
No. It's still, it's still good week left.
at the Freaky Friday, yeah, might be.
Yeah, it's early December, so it's not late for Christmas rally.
Okay.
Looks like indices are pushing up. Is it temporary or is it going to sustain for the rest of the New York session today? What do you think? Christmas rally? St. Nicholas
I
Day
doubt
tomorrow?
it. I don't know.
Temper.
Like you said, the cuts are already priced in. So, what's the big news?
It's just a general market sentiment.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Christmas rally, when investors are happy, everyone's in good mood, then when everyone is in a good mood, markets are going up. When investors are happy, stock markets are happy. But yeah, let's have a look on TradingView. Ooh, shit, I forgot about the long yesterday on NASDAQ. Yeah, gonna add the long position now on NASDAQ. Just now. Because I got stopped out yesterday. Because I pulled my stop loss into break even. But shit. I think I'm gonna close down the gold long because markets are really in an upbeat mood for indices. But that's not good for the Bitcoin sell. So I have to close down both gold and Bitcoin and sticks to NASDAQ. But the problem is it's too early into New York session and the market can easily reverse. I'm not sure if it's going to sustain this push to the upside. Just wait for a second. Let's have a look how markets closed in Asia. Asia was mixed. Japan closed in negative. Hang Seng closed in positive. Pretty much all the other Asians closed in positive, so that could spill over to Americas. Decisions. Okay, so I'm gonna close down the NASDAQ NASDAQ position. I'm gonna hold Bitcoin sell and gold long. And what I'm going to do is, as we know, we have data coming up in 25 minutes, which is going to be the PCE index. Now, this is the Fed's preferred inflation measure because it takes into account the effect of substitution. Now, the effect of substitution means that, when inflation is increasing, households usually don't just stop buying certain products. They choose different alternatives, cheaper ones or expensive ones if they have more money. It looks like it was a wise decision to stay in the gold long and to ditch the NASDAQ long. And I'm going to enter another long position on gold as we speak now. I'm going to hold this one. Yeah, hopefully it won't get stopped out. Market is very jumpy at the moment.
Well, for last day, it's normal. It's jumped like that.
Yeah. Hello, Janar. It's profit taking. It's Friday. It's difficult to read the market. People had enough of the week. They just want to go home, so they ditch the positions. Remember that many traders are not allowed to hold overnight positions. So they can have, when they start working, they open a position, but they have to close it down before they leave their desks. It's a common practice for many investment bank desks.
Well, the couple days, the gold is like moving up, then coming down later, and then moving again back up.
Yeah, it's all over the place. The problem is that yesterday we had ADP, which was negative again, but then we had jobless claims, which was one of the lowest numbers in 3 years. I'm going to put stop loss a little bit lower on gold. So it was one of the lowest numbers in 3 years for jobless claims, meaning that less people claim unemployment benefits. And it was a surprising number. Maybe it's because companies are hiring for the holidays. No idea. This we can only know retrospectively. Tomasz, do you use data and price range tool in one your hedge? Why you're a hedge manning company? Data and price range tool, what is that? Never used that. We use mostly fundamentals. TC99 is looking for short on gold. Why do you look for gold? Give me some information so I can better understand your perspective, your view. So basically, what I concluded this morning is the market is in an upbeat mode. Gold long is getting a little bit overcrowded, but mostly because the rate cut next week is priced into the market. But it doesn't mean, sorry, in 2 weeks, or is it next week? So it doesn't mean next week. It doesn't mean that gold can't go any higher. But longs are definitely overcrowded because it's baked into the market. Almost 90% probability that the Fed will cut interest rate. The other thing is the indices are a bit difficult to read now. The mood is good, but we haven't seen a significant rally. We haven't seen a significant push to the upside. It's slowly going higher and higher, but it hasn't broken out yet. The market structure is beautiful and amazing, but the problem, as you can see, that we have a lot of shadows, a lot of noise. We have a lot of whiplashes, which is why I got stopped out yesterday twice, 2 losses on NASDAQ. And because of this noise, I decided to stay with the gold longs and short on Bitcoin because it's unclear what's going to happen. Still a lot of uncertainty lingering in the markets. And my main strategy is to focus on the data, which is coming up in 19 minutes. It's going to be the PCE price index. This is the preferred inflation measure of the Fed, not the CPI, not the PPI. The PCE is the preferred. So this is why I stayed in gold longs and short on Bitcoin. And I'm cautious with indices. And as you can see on the screen, gold, we have still 85 pips profit. It was 150 pips profit. 1 position open today, still in profit. Second position is in a minor drawdown. Bitcoin is 400 pips profit. It's a very small move, but I'm gonna keep these. And I think that was a fake out today, the big jump on NASDAQ opening. And I'm back in a second. My son has arrived from the kindergarten. Let me put some music for you guys. What genre would you like to listen to?
I don't know. Ibiza Lounge.
Ibiza Lounge.
Kind of like it.
You've been a party girl.
Well, it's Friday, isn't it? Gonna open the
Ibiza Lounge.
Oh, Bossa Nova is great as well.
Ibiza. There you go. Olas Banadies del Sol. Oh, gold position back in profit.
Yay.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
And welcome back. So let's have a look at the positions that are currently running. Gold is running in 115 pips and 30 pips profit. Bitcoin is just around 400 pips. Not a big move, but you know, it's better than nothing. Move stop loss a little bit lower on Bitcoin. And I'm going to move. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Okay, I think it was a good call. Very nice. How is the? Can you hear the music?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. Not too loud.
No, perfect.
No, it's
I know it's perfect. I am the DJ. Okay, gold is now breaking out from it. Well, it hasn't broken out from the consolidation because it's a bit difficult to pinpoint like where is the top point on this consolidation. It's just all over the place. But I think we could draw a wedge, but I think it's on the right track. Definitely, when you look at the screen, it's moving 130 pips profit. And NASDAQ, it's stalled now. Stopped moving. So I think it was just a preliminary market open bump, because all the brokers and the sales guys at investment banks, they told customers like, oh, just buying indices, it's gonna go up, Christmas rally and all that. And now, they just stand with their PP in their hands. And I think today our winner is going to be gold. Beautiful day. Back to 150 pips profit. Second position is running at 64 pips. Amazing day. Keep pushing higher. Now 160 pips. 165. 60, 70. Ooh, look at that. Gold is wild.
Captain Thomas, Captain Hello. How's your back, Thomas?
Yep, it's better. Well, it's okay.
Oh, fantastic.
Do you go to thermal bath, Amash?
Yeah, quite often when I have
Yeah?
time. I like saunas. I like saunas and steam rooms. Not the gay ones.
Yeah, it
And
always
gold
helps
is
us.
now, sorry, gold is now 170 pips profit, guys. Amazing. Bitcoin is pushing
Thank you,
down
Thomas.
550 pips. Amazing day. Oh man, 1 or 2 losses, but overall I mean, guys, we are on a winning streak for 3.5 months now. Those of you who'd like to join the AlphaFX community to get morning briefings on high impact days, to get access to my personal trades live. So if I enter into a trade, you get a notification. We do live trading as well in New York session. That's exactly the same as this one. I entered a position live, which is running at 87 pips profit. If you want to join the AlphaFX community, you get a few options monthly, or you can purchase the membership for a lifetime. There's I had to reopen 3 positions because some people missed it. I think they get paid this week, and they requested to open 3 more slots, 3 more positions, 3 more memberships for the discounted price of £399, which I think it's going to end this week. So check the links below the video. if you want to get the discount link, it's in my private Telegram, but I can also send it to the YouTube chat if you want. First come, first served. Your shirt is fire, King Kong. Thank you so much. I love it. It's
10 minutes.
It's quite how do you call that? So it's not a thin shirt. It's quite thick. It's warming. It's a winter shirt. It's nice. I'm gonna make a get ready with me video, outfit check. And 200 pips profit, guys. Very nice. Today so far 320 pips profit on gold. 2 positions opened, both of them are winners. Bitcoin is currently giving us almost 600 pips. So 3 positions, 3 wins. Sorry, 4 positions, 3 wins. I had to close down the NASDAQ one because I wasn't satisfied with price action, so I closed it down. That one is a loss, but I think it was minus £50 or something, so I don't count it. Overall, over 300 pips profit on gold. Beautiful day. Just an advice: if you happy with the 300 pips profit or just 100 and something profit on gold, take it, because we have PCE coming up and anything is possible. If you're happy with the profit, take it. No one can take away the profit that you book, and it's only profit if you realize it. It's not profit if it's floating.
Thomas, I think you're the only live YouTube trader that they're live.
So can you repeat?
I think you're the only live YouTube trader that actually wins their live trades.
Win their live trades?
Yeah, like the trades that they take on stream.
Oh, like they're winning?
No, what I'm saying is I think you're the only one that actually wins the trades that they take live on YouTube.
Ah, okay. Yeah, but I have losses as well, so you know it's not like every day we have I have wins.
Yeah, because yesterday I was just randomly just looking at those other YouTube traders, and they just it just wasn't good.
All over the well, you know, some people, you know, some people have bad periods. I had weeks when I opened the trade, immediately lost. So that's the market.
Of
You
course,
can't just looking at one stream. I wouldn't judge their performance on one single or 2 live sessions, because you know they could be good traders, but the market is not favorable for them. But the one thing, and thanks for the nice comment, for the kind comment. Think I'm doing live trading for 4 years now, and the reason why the follower bases keep on growing and people, the same people appear on the live stream and following me, is because I'm actually profitable, but also showing the losses. Full transparency. And now position is running at 215 pips. Jesus Christ. If you're happy with the profit, just take it. Honestly.
5 minutes.
I wish I opened a bigger lot size. Alpha and Thomas is one of the most real with amazing value. Plus, said before, besides knowledge transfer and courtesy, love your humor. Exactly. Most people. So I think my YouTube channel is close to 30,000 people, and one of the biggest reason why they follow me is because of my humor. Not the trades. It's because of my humor.
Well, it's both, you know.
Yeah. Visual appearance, humor.
The fundamentals,
the
the technicals, the entries, it's really accurate, and yeah.
Yeah, so
You
as I
can
said, the
switch.
visual appearance is appealing. It's
But
the full pack. I'm the
entertainment
full
is
package.
also important.
Oh mate, I'm a one-man band. I entertain. I do everything.
And the jokes are really good.
They are the best. Not good, the best. Gold is now pushing back. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds. All my break evens, all my stop losses are on break even because we have PCE coming up. So today, 2 gold positions, both of them winning 210 pips and 130 pips, something like that. Those of you who wish to join the AlphaFX community, there is a discount link in the YouTube chat. I think there's only 3 membership left now. I had to reopen for some people. Take it because it won't last forever. Why you have your TP? Oh, before that, public announcement, and this is very important. We have important data releases coming up next week, such as the Fed interest rate decision and CPI. Now, if you haven't heard about it, Forexy, which is the broker I'm using for 5 years now, and many of our members, and not just our members, like literally hundreds and I think hundreds and thousands of people, they have over 100,000 customers using Forexy. So it's a regulated broker. They're on the market for almost a decade. They're offering 75% deposit bonus. Now, I don't get any commission with the affiliate link. The deal with Forexy was that I asked them to make the best possible deal for you guys, so I don't get my commission. And they said, okay, this is not common, but it's possible. So the reason why the customers who sign up with my link, they get better spreads and all better, trade parameters, is because I said I don't want the commission. Make the deal better for the customers. But now they're offering a 75% deposit bonus. I know it's unbelievable, but this is what it is. And I'm going to have a surprise guest in a few weeks, but more on that later. So 75% deposit bonus. It's a very good deal, and there's no catch. You deposit, for example, $3,000, you get $2,250 added to your margin. This is a margin bonus or deposit bonus, meaning that you can't withdraw the deposit bonus, but you can trade with it. You can trade with it. So if you deposit $3,000, you can blow away the $2,250 and you still keep your deposit, and you can withdraw it if you screw up the deposit bonus. Easy money, free money, no catch. If you don't take the free money, well, I don't know how to help. Anyhow, we got PC coming up soon, so if you haven't took profit, I'm not saying you should, but it's your money. It's not financial advice, but if you made good profit today, just take the money Make the money and take the money. And we got 20 seconds for PCE. And also we have the consumer sentiment. Two very important data. And we got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. PCE is out now. Consumer sentiment is inflation data is in line. Not too bad. Personal income is up. Consumer sentiment is better. It's mixed data. But I think, let's read the news. Yeah, PC price index is in line with expectations. So easy way for an interest rate cut, in my opinion. So gold should reach 4,250. So we get another 80 pips. So I'm not going to close down the open positions. I'm going to keep it because the data was good enough. Now we got news coming in. Markets didn't really react. Gold is a bit jumpy. Indices almost, they stalled. Bitcoin is a bit flat. Let's have a look at the data. Consumer expectation is very good, so very optimistic and positive. The consumer sentiment is also optimistic. Inflation is under control. It's a little bit lower than expected. A bit mixed data, but it's in line with expectations. The only surprise is the Michigan consumer expectation, which was higher than the forecast. The current conditions are actually lower. PC price index slightly higher. Yeah, it's. I would say it's in line with expectation. What do you think? How do you interpret the data?
Well, I'm surprised it was not copy-paste data, so there is some variations. But yeah, the Michigan consumer sentiment was the one that,
Yeah.
for me, there is more weight on it. But still, no idea. Keeping some positions up, but might be done for the day.
Yeah, but now gold is pushing down. Question is it a pullback after the breakout, which is normal and will continue higher, or the market is going to push down to get a premium or discounted price before next week interest rate decision? This is always a question, and it's Friday, so we could have a massive dump because of profit taking. It's 50-50. Unfortunately, this is beyond me, beyond my analysis, because the market can act funny, as you know. But overall, I think the data was good enough for gold price to push higher. Indices started to push up. I think this is because the improving market conditions and the consumer sentiment. And that could be the other reason why gold suddenly started to push down. So indices becoming positive. I'm going to hold the gold long positions because gold has been very good to me over the last 3.5 months. Bitcoin is running now in minus in drawdown. Indices pushing up. Yeah, I think it's the mixed data and the Friday mood.
Seems like 30 had bigger impact.
Which one?
30.
US 30.
Yes.
Yeah. Recently, US 30 is moving much better, much more reactive to news.
Well, anyway, I need to go. Thank you, Thomas. Have a nice weekend, everyone.
Have a good one, brother.
See you, Janar.
I think I'm going to call it today as well. We made very nice profits on gold, 220 pips. Those who booked profit, I'm still in the positions. I'm going to hold the positions because we had the data quite favorable for a rate cut next week. Now, those of you who wish to join the AlphaFX community, there's a link in the YouTube chat pinned. There's only 3 membership left, which I opened today for £399. This is a lifetime opportunity, one-time payment. If you want to trade live with me, if you want to get access to my trades, if you want to get signals and notifications, morning briefings and live sessions, because not everything is streamed on YouTube, then that's your link. Use it. There's only 3 membership left. Also, 50% deposit bonus by Forex. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough, this is free money. For example, if you deposit $3,000, you get $2,250 for free as a margin. You can't withdraw it, that would be silly, but you can use it to trade. Imagine today if you opened one lot position with this margin, you could have made at least $2,000 or even more easily.
Yeah, that's insane. They increased the cap. The cap was 1K.
I think
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna. Yeah, I hope they're not gonna go bust because of this. But this is insane. I've never seen such a good deposit bonus. Never seen anything in my life. A quick check on the live positions before I start my weekend. I'm gonna hold the long position. I'm gonna open another long position on gold now, as you can see. Gonna move the stop loss well below 4,230. And the target is going to be around 4,250. I'm not going to jump into indices, and I'm going to hold the position on Bitcoin. And this is it, guys. Once again, if you want to join the Alpha community, check the link in the YouTube chat or below the video. Also, take the deposit bonus by Forex. It's free money. I wish everyone a relaxing weekend, and I'm out.
Thank you very much. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you.
Nice weekend, guys.
See you guys.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sell. Once again, guys, go to alphafx.eu if you would like to take advantage of... No, don't go to AlphaFX. Check the link in the YouTube chat. That's the discount link for the lifetime membership. And take advantage of the 75% deposit bonus by Forex. I wish everyone a relaxing weekend, and I hope you made money with us on the live stream. We definitely made money in the VIP section with the AlphaFX. Next week is going to be big week. We have Fed interest rate decision. Before that, we have CPI, and I think we have NFP as well next week. So definitely busy week. Have a good one, guys. Thank you so much. This is the AlphaFX.